thoughts that I've been thinking. I should think of an alibi. Though I'm innocent, I'd still...
50. Hindi niyo gusto kinagura, pero pinalayas mo gusto duha ninyo. Kung tuloon ninyo, 100 na yun. Kaya, huwag man sisiyo. Naman yan eh. Kung baliton ka eh, pero arong makadungupod mo, eh naapoy kung kayo gagawin eh. Ay tungod man eh sa ang ginamit.
This torch in my heart, I cannot conceal it, cannot put it out. It's like trying to hide a fire in the dark, trying to fight a flame I never meant to start. It's out of control, nothing can help me now. No, 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 no.
Mangitag pa man mundo, siguro habayaking kay Angolano. Kung matuman mo, swerte ka, Angolano. Tuman mo sa iyay, buutan gayano. Maganiwang bahagan, nagpagikalinti. Isang akong gusto, sa palikirong ulitaw siya gusto magmahal ka ni mo ako sa
From the thoughts that I've been thinking, I should think of an alibi. Though I'm innocent, I've still got a guilty mind. There's no place that I can turn to when she turns out the lights to keep her from seeing you burning in my eyes. It's like
Lahat parang nakapanya, nakalagay na sa mga gadget, naka-implant na niya. Dahil naiya siya, pumunta siya sa trapo, parang nilagyan na may papakita ko. Pumunta sa toilet, napatay siya. Paglabas niya, may luminik dyan na paper. What's that? Sabi niya, I think I just received a pass.